Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. I am very happy to share our solutions with you. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. So here, our second question. A chord of a circle which is subtends angle at the center is 120 degrees. So this chord, let's going to take AB is a chord which is making angle 120 degrees at the center and subtends. And what is this? We have to find what is the area of minor segment. Corresponding circle, for that what is the area of minor segment. Unlike previous one, they are given previous question subtends right angle at the center 90 degrees. So we are took base and height as usual, but here we can take height and base. So perfect base here is AB. And what is the height? So from this base to top vertex. So if you join one line from the base to the top vertex in a triangle, that is called height. So here, what is the height here is, let's going to take, this is the point. This point is take C. The point, from that we need to draw one height. So this is the height. So this is the height. So here it's making 90 degrees. Here it's making 90 degrees. And here this angle is divided into two angles, that is 120 by 2. So we are bisecting here. So 120 by 2 here is 60 degree and 60 degree. Right? So 60 degree and 60 degree we are divided. Now what is this? So we have to find, this is the base and this is the height. So in order to find what is the area of minor segment, first of all we have to find what is the area of the triangle and what is the area of this. Let's going to consider here any one point. Let's going to take P. So area of the sector. So if you find area of the sector and area of the triangle from area of total sector, if you subtract area of this triangle, then we will get the required minor segment. So this is minor segment, upper one is major segment. So in triangle, let's going to take in triangle ABO or AOB, you can write one thing here. Base is AB and height is OC. So height is OC. So we have to find what is the calculation for this. So first one, let's going to take this triangle. From triangle left side or right side, any one thing. So you can say triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOC. So congruent means all the sides will be equal, and this one is AC will be equal to CB. AC will be equal to CB. So these are the two things. So let triangle AOC. So what is this angle? Let's going to take trigonometric ratios. From this angle here it's making 90 degrees from this angle. So in order to find opposite and adjacent sides. So opposite side for this is this one. So let's going to consider in triangle sine O. Sine O will be equal to, that is sine, this is the point, sine O will be equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side for this? AC by hypotenuse is nothing but what? This one, AO. So sine O means what you can say, sine 60 degrees will be equal to AC, we don't know, keep as it is. AO we know that is 12 radius. AO. So sine 60 means what is that? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 will be equal to AC by 12. So what you can say here is, so that implies AC will be equal to 12 into root 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So that is AC will be equal to 6 into root 3. Root 3 value will be equal to, consider root 3 will be equal to 1.732. So that is AC will be equal to 6 into 1.732. So keep as it is 6. So let's going to consider what is this. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 19, then 1 will 6. 42, 43.6 ones are 6 plus 10.392 centimeter. That is So let's going to take AC will be equal to 10.392 as it is 10.392, but we have to know what is the AB here. The base will be equal to base, AB will be equal to, let's going to take base will be equal to AB, AC plus CB, that is AC plus AC, that is 2AC. So AB will be equal to 2 into AC will be equal to what is this 10.392, 10.392. So 10.392. So 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, then 2 3s are 6 plus 7, 0.20s are 20.792 centimeter, 20.792 20 meter. So we got it as base. So base we got it, or you can keep like that only. So what value you can take? You can take it as 2 into 6 into here 6 into root 3. So you can keep 12 root 3 also. So both will be equal. How we got it 6 root 3? So 6 root 3 is nothing but what is this? AC. So 2 into AC 6 12 root 3 also you can keep. Don't get confused, both values are equal. Then what is the height? So let's going to consider cos O. So cos O means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side? That is OC, by hypotenuse is AO. So cos O means cos 60. Here in triangle, same triangle, OC is nothing but keep height as it is. Capital H, let's going to take height of the triangle. AO will be equal to 12. So 1 by 2 will be equal to H by 12. So 12 by 2 will be equal to height 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12. So height will be equal to AO, that is OC, sorry, OC will be equal to 6 centimeter. So we got it as height also. So we got height also. Now what we have to find here is area of the triangle. Area of triangle AOB will be equal to half into base into height. So half into base is nothing but 12 root 3 into height is nothing but 6. So 2 1s are 2 6 are. So 6 6 are 6 into root 3. So 6 6 are 12 into 36 into root 3. So we got it as 36 into root 3 is the value, that is the area of the triangle AOB. Now what we have to find here is area of sector. Area of sector. I already explained in the previous question, first question, how we will get it is. So some x degrees by 360 degrees into area of circle. Area of circle. So what phenomenon we are used here is, we are taken area of the sector by the area of the circle. Area of the sector which is making angle at the center is x degrees by total 360. That is the value we are taken. So let's going to substitute. So area of the sector is nothing but 120. So area of the sector. Area of sector. So here angle O, x degrees is nothing but angle O, that is 120 by 360 into area of the circle pi r square. So 120, 12 1s are 12 3s are 36. So 1 by 3 into 3.14 into r square is nothing but 12 square, 12 into 12. So 3 1s are 3, 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12. So 12 4s are 3.14 into what you can say here is 12 4s are 48. So 48, 3.14 into 48, let's going to keep that value. So what is this value? 0.72, 150.72. This is the value, area of the sector centimeter square, 150.72. So this is the value. Now what is the area of segment? So the required segment, area of the segment, what is that segment? APB. That will be equal to area of sector minus area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. So area of the sector is 150.72 minus the value, this is actually AB, sorry for that, 36 root 3. So 36 into root 3, 1.732. So 150.72 minus 0.352. 352. So this is the value. Now we are going to calculate 150.72, 62.352. So here 8, here 11 minus 5 will be 6. Again here what we can take, 6 minus 3, 8 again. So 14 minus 6, 8. So what value we are getting here is 88.368 centimeter square. This is the area of this. This is the area of this minor segment. If you want to calculate major segment, we will going to calculate area of the circle. From that total area of the circle, we are going to subtract this minor segment area. Then we will get the what is the major segment above this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Try to share with your friends and family members, and try to watch 2 more videos. Thanks for watching.